Alright, sorry, Locksmith there. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and duplicate a key for a 2014 GMC. My personal opinion, I like to use, let me go back, I think I messed up. There we go. Let's turn around and decode the key. Anytime, like right now, let's see, I'm seeing that there, but I have seen this before. When you go through, this is one thing I'm not a fan of. It does show you the key that's not the right one, but if you come across it, don't worry, you'll get used to it. You'll also know. We'll go ahead and decode. So with that, don't stress if you see something. You can always pause. I've broken probes before, shouldn't have, but we all do. And the reason why I'm also decoding the key is I like to turn around on the customer receipt, put down. I like to turn around and take their biting, and I actually put it on their receipt for them. That way if they run into or they lose a key, they can turn around and actually have another key done. And it doesn't, well, it just took you a little bit of time, and it's added value. We do have them on our business cards. I'm using this machine. I could have turned around and pulled out the other machines I do have. It's just quicker, newer vehicle, and like I said, we do the added value for the customer. Let's give it back to me. But no, just more ways for you to do the job. If you want to do it one way, go. If you want to try another way, go for it. Nothing's going to stop you on it. You just find which way works best for you. But hey, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna go and program this key and the remote for the customer. Just thought I'd have a little tidbit with you. Okay, customer said it's a 2014. We'll do an auto detect. This is saying it's 2013. Got to program a remote for it. So on here, if you hit remote relearn, you'll notice it says the DIC. Well, the DIC on this one here doesn't allow you to relearn the remote. And it even tells you on here to do it another route. It doesn't work on this one for some reason. So we're going to come over, control unit, remote learning. Ignition switch is on. Hit OK. All remotes will be erased. I do have their one that already works. Let me go ahead and put this on the steering wheel. And the customer did have another remote, and they asked us to turn around and program it. So we will. So press the lock and unlock button on each fob. So That one's not wanting the program, so we'll come over. Now you notice this one here is not wanting the program. Now it did. So easy with it. So if you come across it and it does say you can do it DIC and you can't, that's the reason why. We verified both remotes work. Now saying the exiting system. There we go. And we're done. Another happy customer. Hey, thanks again for watching SgtLocksmith. Let's be safe out there and have a good day.